Hello, heroic historians and curious knowledge seekers. Welcome to Today in History for the 2nd of March, a date packed with boundary-busting breakthroughs, scandalous showdowns, and bizarre turning points that shaped our world. If you're ready for epic revelations, smash that subscribe button and buckle up. Our time-traveling adventure begins now. Step right up for guaranteed historical fireworks. Number 20. On the 2nd of March, 537, the Goths under King Vitiges commenced their siege of Rome, confronting the Byzantine forces of General Belisarius and plunging the Eternal City into a lengthy blockade. Number 19. On 2 March 1127, Charles the Good, Count of Flanders, was ambushed and murdered inside Bruges St. Donation. Donation's church, unleashing a power struggle that reshaped noble alliances throughout medieval Europe. Number 18. On the 2nd of March, 1807, the U.S. Congress passed the act to prohibit the importation of slaves, halting further transatlantic slave shipments and intensifying the nation's conflicted path toward eventual abolition. Number 17. On the 2nd of March, 1836, Texan revolutionaries adopted the Texas Declaration of Independence at Washington-on-the-Brazos, severing ties with Mexico and igniting a dramatic struggle that shaped the Lone Star State's identity. Number 16. On the 2nd of March, 1855, Alexander II became Tsar of Russia upon Nicholas I's death, heralding reforms like the 1861 emancipation of serfs and steering the empire through turbulent European politics. Number 15. On the 2nd of March, 1867, the U.S. Congress enacted the first Reconstruction Act, dissolving Southern governments, mandating new constitutions, and granting African American men crucial rights during post-Civil War nation rebuilding. Number 14. On the 2nd of March, 1877, a special congressional commission declared Rutherford B. Hayes the winner of the 1876 U.S. presidential election, ending a fierce dispute and launching his one-term, reform-minded administration. Number 13. On the 2nd of March, 1882, Roderick McLean attempted to assassinate Queen Victoria at Windsor, firing his revolver in protest of perceived injustices, only to be swiftly disarmed and declared criminally insane. Number 12. On the 2nd of March, 1899, Mount Rainier National Park was established by the U.S. Congress, protecting glaciers, forests, and wildflowers around the incredibly breathtaking volcano that continues to lure adventurers today. Number 11. On the 2nd of March, 1901, J.P. Morgan merged Carnegie Steel with other companies, forging U.S. Steel, the world's first billion-dollar corporation, and a titan that modernized vast American industry and infrastructure. Number 10. On the 2nd of March, 1917, the Jones-Shafroth Act granted Puerto Ricans U.S. citizenship, shaping the island's future, enabling military service eligibility, and intensifying debates over statehood versus autonomy in decades ahead. Number 9. On the 2nd of March, 1933, Hollywood roared with the premiere of King Kong at Radio City Music Hall, thrilling audiences with cinematic spectacle and catapulting the giant ape into pop culture fame. Number 8. On the 2nd of March, 1939, Eugenio Pacelli was elected Pope Pius XII, guiding the Catholic Church through World War II and post-war uncertainties, spurring debates on neutrality, diplomacy, and moral responsibilities. Number 7. On the 2nd of March, 1943, Allied aircraft pummeled a Japanese convoy in the Bismarck Sea, sinking multiple transports and inflicting heavy losses, marking a devastating pivotal blow in the Pacific Campaign. Number 6. On the 2nd of March, 1955, teenager Claudette Colvin defied segregation by refusing her bus seat in Montgomery, Alabama, foreshadowing the civil rights protests that soon shook America's entrenched Jim Crow system. Number 5. On the 2nd of March, 1956, Morocco proclaimed independence from France, stirring national pride and unwinding decades of colonial rule in North Africa, while paving the way for Sultan Mohammed V's leadership. Number 4. On the 2nd of March, 1962, NBA legend Wilt Chamberlain scored a record-shattering 100 points for the Philadelphia Warriors against the New York Knicks, a superhuman feat still unmatched in professional basketball. Number 3. On the 2nd of March, 1969, the Anglo-French supersonic airliner Concorde took its maiden flight from Toulouse, dazzling spectators with radical new promises of cutting-edge travel at twice the speed of sound. Number 2. On the 2nd of March, 1972, NASA launched Pioneer 10 from Cape Canaveral, sending humanity's first spacecraft through the asteroid belt, and eventually capturing our earliest close-up images of majestic giant Jupiter. Number 1. On the 2nd of March, 1998, NASA announced fresh Galileo spacecraft data hinting at a hidden liquid ocean beneath Europa's icy crust, rocketing Jupiter's moon into prime focus for potential extraterrestrial life. Thank you for orbiting 2 March's incredible wonders with us. From regal assassinations to spacecraft, each tale proves history never ceases to amaze. If your mind's officially blown, give us a like, share your newfound trivia, and subscribe for tomorrow's next level installment. Spoiler alert, we'll unearth cunning conspiracies, scientific leaps, and epic showdowns you won't see coming. Gear up for more twists. History's deepest secrets are only a calendar flip away.